Okay, today's class we are going to discuss about commission and taxation. Commission and taxation unit 3 in your book. And first of all, before we start this exercise, let us keep some concept. Commission means it is a type of money. It is a type of money which is given for the particular person who does the work. For example, your parents gave 25 rupees for you to buy 250 milliliter milk from dairy, and the cost of milk is only 20 rupees. 5 rupees you have spent for your purpose. 5 rupees you have spent for your purpose, and your parents said that 5 rupees you use for you, or you buy whatever you like, but you bring 20 rupees milk or 20 rupees any item which is said by parents. At that time 5 rupees you have eaten. That means 5 rupees is a commission for you. You have completed one work, so that you have got 5 rupees. So commission equal to percent of commission into total selling price. It is not matter of home only. Yeah, it is the matter of for other purpose. So in the big industry also, commission is necessary. Without commission, the business will not run. Everyone needs profit who does work. So commission equal to percent of commission into total selling price. To get commission, there should be or there should have business. Business means selling should be there. If selling is there, income will be there. If income is there, needed to distribute. Needed to distribute means some percent of amount will be given for those person who did or who helped in that work. So that is called the commission. Commission percent means commission amount by SP into 100%. Commission percent, if needed to calculate, then we will use commission amount by SP into 100%. Then यो कमिसन र ट्याक्सेसन भन्ने कुरा के हो भन्दा, कमिसन भनेको कुनै पनि व्यक्तिले काम गरिदिए बापत, कुनै पनि व्यक्तिले काम गरे बापत लुकीछिपी होइन, वैधानिक रूपमा पाउने सम सर्ट अफ एमाउन्ट नै हो कमिसन भनेको। अनि कमिसन निकाल्दाखेरि जहिले पनि सेलिङ प्राइस थाहा भएको हुनुपर्छ। बिजनेसै छैन कमिसन त पाइँदैन। त्यसले गर्दा सेलिङ भयो भने त्यो सेलिङ हुँदा, त्यो सेलिङ गर्दा कति मान्छेको इन्भल्भ थियो, कुन कुन मान्छेले त्यसलाई सेल गर्दा मद्दत गरेका थिए, त्यस्तोलाई पनि केही एमाउन्ट छुट्याउने गरिन्छ, त्यो नै कमिसन हो। फर एक्जाम्पल, कसैले एउटा जग्गा बेच्दिनु भन्यो, एकजना मान्छेको जग्गा, जस्तै तिम्रो जग्गा मलाई बेच्न भनेर लगायो हैन, तिम्रो जग्गा मलाई बेच्न भनेर लगायो भने त्यति बेला मैले अब मान्छे खोज्छु, अनि तिम्रो जग्गा कहाँ हो के हो लगाएर देखाउँछु, यस्तो गर्छु उस्तो गर्छु, धेरै दुःख गर्छु, फोनमा कुरा गर्छु, धेरै कुरा गर्छु। अनि मैले तिमीहरूलाई ऊ मान्छेलाई अथवा तिमीहरूलाई के भनेको हुन्छु भने यदि बिक्यो भने मलाई पनि थोरै दुखेसो हेरिदिनु होला है, मलाई पनि थोरै पैसा दिनु होला है भनेर मैले तिमीहरूसँग कमिटमेन्ट गरेको हुन्छु। अनि तिमीहरूले के भन्छौ? हो अब मैले भ्याउँदिनँ, अब ठिकै छ, अब हजुरले बेच्नु भयो भने 1% अथवा 2% हजुरलाई दिउँला अथवा केही पैसा चाहिँ हजुरलाई दिउँला भनेर तिमीहरू पनि ओके हुन्छौ। त्यो भनेको के हो भने तिमीहरूले मलाई त्यत्तिकै दिएको त होइन, काम गरे बापत केही एमाउन्ट अफ मनी दिएका हो। त्यो मनी दिएको एमाउन्ट के हो भने कमिसन हो। जतिमा बिक्छ तिमीहरूको जग्गा त्यो के हो? सेलिङ प्राइस हो हैन। अब सेलिङ प्राइस त्यो अब बिके पार दिन्छौ, मैले 5 दिन दुःख गरेँ तर त्यो जग्गा बिकेको छैन भने त्यति बेला तिमीहरूले दिने कुरा पनि हुँदैन। त्यस्तै धेरै शेयर राखेर कम्पनीहरू चलाइन्छ, तिनी कम्पनीहरूमा पनि के हुन्छ भने यस्तै हैन, डिस्ट्रिब्युट गर्ने चलन हुन्छ, कसले कति पाउँछ भन्ने पर्सेन्टेजको आधारमा। त्यसैले कमिसन र ट्याक्सेसन जिन्दगीको लागि पनि बडो इम्पोर्टेन्ट टपिक्स, व्यवहारिक टपिक्स हो। हामीले बुझेको हुनुपर्छ, जानेको हुनुपर्छ। कमिसन र ट्याक्सेसन हाम्रो दैनिक जीवनमा एकदमै आवश्यक चीज पनि हो। केही क्वेशनहरु, यसका रिलेटेड क्वेशनहरु। क्वेशन नम्बर 1, if a real estate agent sold a piece of land, just before we talk about the land, there is also given land for Rs 5,80,000. 5,80,000 is the cost of land. How much commission did he get at 2.5%? Same example you see here. The cost of land is 5,80,000. The cost of land is 5,80,000. The person said to the mediator. Mediator means he has connected both persons, buyer and seller. The mediator will get 2.5% amount of money. Then how much money will get by that mediator? This is the question. Cost of land is 5,80,000 and it was determined that 2.5% of amount I will pay for the mediator, or I will pay 2.5% for a mediator if you sell this land. Then that land is sold. Now how much money will get by the mediator? That is needed to calculate. This is the question. Question ले के भनेको छ भने एउटा जग्गा 5,80,000 मा बेचियो, त्यति बेला 2.5% कमिसन दिन्छु भन्ने कुरा भएको थियो रियल इस्टेट एजेन्टलाई, भनेको मिडिएटरलाई, एजेन्टलाई। एजेन्ट भनेको एजेन्टलाई चाहिँ 2.5% दिने भन्ने कुरा भएको छ भने त्यो एजेन्टले कति पैसा पाउँछ त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ। क्वेशनले भनेको यही हो। Solution: here selling price of land is Rs 5,80,000. The selling price of land is 5,80,000. Then percent of commission, it was determined that 2.5% of commission will be given for the person to whom? For the mediator, or that mediator is a real estate agent. Agent is mediator now. Agent is going to get 2.5% of amount. 2.5% of amount he is going to get. Then we need to calculate commission amount. How much money will he get? Real estate agent, how much money he will get? That means commission amount equal to what? And we know that just before formula I have shown to you, we know that commission is equal to percent of commission into total selling price. Commission amount equal to percent of commission, which was determined at first. In question, 2.5% is determined into total selling price, 5,80,000. 5,80,000 was the selling price of that land. Then this means 2.5%. Per means divide, cent means by 100. 2.5 by 100 into 5,80,000. Then you can see 20 and 20 you can cancel. Yeah, you can cancel 20 and 20. That means these two zeros and this 100 of two zeros you can cancel. Yes, then equal to 2.5 into 5800. RS 2.5 is remaining into 5,800 is remaining, is equal to multiply to 14,500. 14,500. Then students, 14,500 is the amount. 14,500 is the amount which is given to real estate agent. Yeah, hence he got means real estate agent. A real estate agent got RS 14,500 commission. Once again, जग्गा बेचिसके पछाडि दिन्छु भनेर भनेको पर्सेन्ट 2.5% थियो। जग्गा बेचियो, 5,80,000 मा त्यो जग्गा बेचियो। कमिसन एमाउन्ट कति पाउँछ भनेर निकाल्नु छ क्वेशनले भने अनुसार। हामीलाई के थाहा छ भने कमिसन एमाउन्ट इज इक्वल टु कमिसन पर्सेन्ट अथवा पर्सेन्ट अफ कमिसन इन्टु टोटल सेलिङ प्राइस इन्टु एसपी। कमिसन पर्सेन्ट भनेको 2.5% हो इन्टु 5,80,000 सेलिङ प्राइस हो। त्यसो भए यसलाई सल्भ गर्दा कति आयो त 14,500 आयो। हेन्स ही गट 14,500 कमिसन। अब त्यो रियल इस्टेट एजेन्टले त्यो जग्गा बेचिदिएको भएर उले कति पाउने भयो भने जम्मा जम्मी 14,500 रुपीस एज अ कमिसन को रूपमा उले पाउने भयो। नेक्स्ट एक्जाम्पल, a building owner hired a cost of the building at RS 15,84,000. Hired a fixed rate. A building owner fixed the cost of his building is RS 15,84,000 and the price above the fixed cost goes to an agent as his commission. If the agent sold it for RS 16,71,120, find his commission percent. Here is given a building is fixed or a building is ready to sell. The owner said that I need 15,84,000 rupees for the real estate agent or for the agent. He said I need 15,84,000 by selling this house or this building. An agent sold that building at Rs 16,71,120 rupees. He sold means agent sold at Rs 16,71,120 rupees. Find his commission. How much commission percent he will get, that agent we need to calculate. क्वेशनले भनेको के छ भने त्यो हाउस भएको मान्छेले, जसको घर हो, जसको बिल्डिङ हो, त्यसले के भन्यो भने मैले यो बिल्डिङ बेच्दै छु, 15,84,000 बेचेपछि मलाई चाहिन्छ, यो भन्दा जति बढी पार्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यति हजुरले पार्नुस्, हजुरले पारेर बेच्नुस्, अनि त्यो भन्दा बढी हजुरले पारेर बेच्नुस् भनेर बिल्डिङ को स्वामित्व भएको मान्छेले भन्यो, जसको बिल्डिङ हो त्यो भएको मान्छेले भन्यो। अनि एजेन्टले त्यो बिल्डिङ बेच्यो पनि, बेचेर कति पायो? 16,71,120 रुपीस पायो। त्यसो भए त्यो एजेन्टले, मिडिएटरले, त्यो घर बेचिदिने मान्छेले कति रुपैयाँ पायो, होइन कि कति रुपैयाँ पायो र त्यो कति पर्सेन्ट हो भनेर निकाल्ने हो, हैन? कति पर्सेन्ट हो भनेर निकाल्ने हो। त्यसको लागि हियर कमिसन, how much commission amount he got, that at first needed to calculate. We need to calculate how much amount of money got by agent, that is needed to calculate. He got 87,120. He sold that building at Rs 16,71,120 rupees, and house owner said that 15,84,000 is needed for me, or that is the selling price of that building, and that difference is 87,120 rupees. Agent sold by bringing 87,120 rupees in his pocket. 87,120 rupees will for agent only, not for house owner, not for house buyer. It is for only mediator. It is for only agents. So 87,120 rupees is for agent. Question is asking commission percent. Commission is 87,120 rupees. Commission amount it is. Question is asking in percent. Percent of commission is needed to calculate. Commission percent means commission amount by SP into 100%. Commission amount by SP into 100%. By commission amount means 87,120, which is just before we have calculated. 87,120 rupees is the amount of commission. Commission amount which is for agent, 87,120 rupees for agent, and 15,84,000 was selling price. SP means even if he sold that building at Rs 16,71,120 rupees. Yeah, house owner said that fix that Rs 15,84,000 is the selling price. SP means which is said by the house owner. Agent sold at 16,71,120, but previously house owner said that 15,84,000 is the cost of my house, he said. Therefore, that money is needed to put here. That is thought as a selling price. That was determined by the house owner, building owner. So that is the selling price, or 15,84,000 is the selling price. And then students, we can cancel 20 and we can cancel 20 in the denominator and 20 in the numerator, because relation is multiply. Yes, and after that, multiply do RS 87,120 into 1 means only 87,120, divide by 15840 means 5.5%. 5.5%. Hence, his commission percent is 5.5%. क्वेशनले के भन्यो भने एउटा मान्छेले बेचेको पैसा 16,71,120 मा बिल्डिङ बेच्यो। त्यो मान्छेले 16,71,120 मा बिल्डिङ बेच्यो। अनि त्यो बिल्डिङ भएको अथवा जसको बिल्डिङ हो त्यो मान्छेले 15,84,000 भए पुग्छ मलाई, मैले यतिमा बेच्ने हो भनेको थियो। उले दुःख गरे बापत मिडिएटरले अर्थात एजेन्टले के गर्यो भने 87,120 रुपैयाँ बढी पारेर बेचिदियो। त्यस्तो अवस्थामा हामीलाई कमिसन पर्सेन्ट निकाल्नु छ। पर्सेन्ट अफ कमिसन भनेको हामीलाई के थाहा छ भने कमिसन अमाउन्ट बाइ सेलिङ प्राइस इन्टु 100%। कमिसन अमाउन्ट के हो भन्दा 87,120 रुपैयाँ हो कमिसन अमाउन्ट। अब त्यसो हो भने अब के भयो भने 87,120 बाई 15,84,000 इन्टु 100%, 20 क्यान्सल भयो, 5.5% आयो। 5.5% भनेको के हो त? हिज कमिसन पर्सेन्ट हो, जुन चाहिँ हामीलाई निकाल्नु थियो। यसलाई के गर्न सकियो भने कमिसन पर्सेन्ट मान्न सकियो। यो कसले पायो? एजेन्टले पायो। किन पायो? उसले बीचमा त्यो बिल्डिङ बेचिदिने काम गरेको थियो। मिडिएटरले पायो। मिडिएटर को हो? न बिल्डिङ भएको मान्छे हो, न बिल्डिङ किन्ने मान्छे हो। उ त के हो? फोनमा कुरा मिलाउने मान्छे हो। उ त के हो? बीचमा दुःख गर्ने मान्छे हो। उ त के हो? बेच्ने मान्छेले पनि उसलाई सम्पर्क गर्ने, किन्ने मान्छेले पनि उसलाई सम्पर्क गर्ने मिडिएटर हो, सहयोगी हो। त्यसैले उले कमिसन पायो। कमिसनको रेट के रहेछ भन्दा 5.5% रहेछ। ओके, प्र्याक्टिस गरौँ। अर्को क्वेशन, डु योरसेल्फ राइट दिस क्वेशन।